Box cover! Oh my god. So according to CNN, queen of reality TV Kim Kardashian West was held at gunpoint at her hotel in Paris Sunday evening by not one, not two, but three armed masked men dressed as police officers. What the hell? Sources have confirmed that she is quite shaken up, but she is very happy that she was unharmed. Honestly, truly, there are just so many unanswered questions. How did these men gain access to her room? Was North or Saint there? Who else was at the hotel with her? Where were the security guards, the bodyguards who were supposed to protect her? I mean, this is not the first time she's been attacked. Just last week, a prankster decided to move towards her and kiss her behind.
Kim.
And a few years ago, she was flowered on the red carpet. So for this to happen to her, no, it is really messy. It seems that everyone else is keeping up with the Kardashians except her bodyguards. Her husband, rapper Kanye West, got the information while he was performing at the Meadows Festival on Sunday night in New York, after which he stopped the show, told the fans what was going on, and exited the stage.
I'm sorry, there's a family emergency. I have to stop the show.
Oh shit! What happened to Kim? Oh my god.
Proud of you, Kanye, proud of you! Family emergencies supersede every box foot thing. And plus, he was only 10 minutes shy of ending his performance. This is just such unfortunate news, but I know that the Kardashian family is quite close, so everyone is giving her all the support that she needs at this time. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dutty Berry show. My name is Dutty Berry. Please, what do you think? Do you think that this should have happened? What would you think would have transpired had Kanye West been in the room with Kim Kardashian? Please comment below. Alright, take care until next time. Oh, and if you want to follow me on social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere, Periscope. And if you want to email me, it is TheDuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.